Hey, Ade. I didn't know you're hiking on. This is Navajo 1, 2016, Lesson 5, Pass Off Sheet, and video clipping right now. Again, the reminder, students, this is your pass off for Lesson 5. Listen to the video clip. When you're ready, find your facilitator and pass off your readings. If you don't have a facilitator, please email me a recording. Okay, so that's different ways you can do that. Here it is. Chiji yo shichigi kago anija ya. O chiji yo shichigi kago anish. Start that over again. Chiji yo shichigi kago anija ya. Anija ya. O chiji yo shichigi kago anishja. Jahe title. Izzy, your Shiniki Asaeko. Bana ya. O Izzy, your Shiniki Asaeko. Banish Okay, let's go to the next one. Izzy, your Sakagi na Kiko. Banishni ya. O Izzy, your Sakagi na Kiko. Banishni. Let me do that one over again. Izzy yo sakagi na kiko. Bananis ya. There it is. Bananis ya. O Izzy yo sakagi na kiko. Banishnis. Izzy yo yagoto izigi ashla dako. Banija ya. O Izzy yo yagodo izigi ashla dako. Banishja. And the last one. Chiji bamayo heit ehegi banija. Chiji bamayo setsogi banishja. Chiji bamayo heit ehegi bana Chiji bama yo sedete koto ijiki banish Banish. Okay, that's it. Thanks.